Stretches for hips during pregnancy. Sit on your block, separating the sit bones and sitting up tall. Relax your arms, drop your shoulders down, and start to circle round the circumference of your pelvis. Moving around the bony circumference of the pelvis, getting the spine involved as well, and maybe getting the shoulders involved. Make the circles as big or as small as is comfortable for you. And make sure you circle round both ways. Butterfly stretch, soles of the feet together. Just gently bounce the knees up and down to release any tension. Option to hinge forwards if there's enough space. Drop the shoulders and just breathe. Remember to lengthen from the spine, not round from the back. Windscreen wiper knees. Feet come in front, legs as wide as you need, and just gently windscreen wiper the legs from side to side, leaning back and keeping the shoulders away from the ears. Rock the baby. Take your foot in your hand and cradle the knee in the other hand. If you're able to, you can cradle the knee in the elbow and gently rock the leg back and forth, just like you're rocking a baby. Make sure you do this on both sides. This is a great release for the outside of your hips. Just lean back, cross your ankle over your knee, and press your hands down so you lift the chest for a seated pigeon pose. Inhale as you lift, pushing the knee out, and exhale to release. Try the other side. Remember, one side might be a little bit easier than the other. Create lots of space around the front of your body for your baby and for the breath. Butterfly rolls. Soles of the feet together and start to move the spine back and forth so you're flexing and extending the spine and the trunk of the body and creating a wave-like motion. You can lean as far forwards or as far back as is comfortable, and depending on how much room you have for your growing baby. Butterfly arm openings. Press your hand and your arm all the way back, turning to look to the hand if that's comfortable, and then leaning forward slightly so the hand finds the chin. This is a lovely opener for your waist, and it helps to stretch out sore muscles around the ribs. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you lower. Lean back, have your feet flat on the floor, legs as wide as you need, and gently roll your foot to the outside so your knee falls out. These are hip rolls. Keep the opposite foot as still as possible. Remember to lean back so you create lots of space around the front of the body for the baby. The aim is to keep the pelvis as still as possible. Make this a little harder by sliding the leg out after you've rolled the hip, keeping the knee turned out for as long as possible. Remember to lengthen your leg away from your hip. You can take the legs a little wider if you need to make more space. Just windscreen wiper the knees from right to left just to loosen everything off again. Remembering to lean back, keeping the ears away from the shoulders.